My name is Kirsten Romig, and I host a botany workshop every 2 months. And now, because we have to wear masks and social distancing, we will be trying to do a Zoom botany workshop where we can go in, look at plants, you'll be able to ask questions about parts of plants. And hopefully we can learn more about how to accurately identify the plants, especially on the Hornata range. We have to be someplace with cell phone coverage. So, and I will be sending out a email with the dates that we hope to have these workshops. We'll be fine-tuning the technical difficulties that we've been doing with this prototype. And if you are interested, email me at kirsten.romig@usda.gov.